Rebecca Stott and I'm Director of Education at Twinkl. As an EdTech company who supports over 6 million educators on a daily basis to support young people of all abilities, a key part of our role is making sure we find the right opportunities to support educators to make sense of changes and innovations in the education landscape. As AI continues to grow in popularity inside education, we're absolutely thrilled to announce that next year we're going to be partnering with the Digital Education Futures Initiative at Hughes Hall, Cambridge, to offer educators, schools and trusts the exciting opportunity of joining us for a year-long action research project where we're going to be exploring how AI can be utilised in the classroom to support workload, well-being and teaching and learning. This programme will be free to access whether you're a Twinkl member or not, and participants will be able to access CPD blended learning and support throughout the year whilst contributing to national research that ultimately will support others both in the UK and internationally.
Over the past years, we've all been grappling with AI in our workplaces, in education, and in other aspects of our lives. The government has issued advice and guidance, and it has also set aside money for trials and research to better understand whether, how, and in what circumstances AI might assist with learning. But it's a fast-moving field, and it can feel like the moment that you feel that you've got on top of one aspect of AI, something new and unexpected comes along. This programme will give the opportunity to get together with other educators, share best practice, ask questions, and to also find out a little bit more about how AI works, which can help with decision making.
My name is Dr. Kevin Martin, and I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Education Futures Initiative, or DEFI. This course is free for Twinkl members and non-Twinkl members alike. Throughout the program, you will have access to the full professional development course, along with all supporting materials. Some of you may also wish to explore these topics in greater depth. For those who do, we have additional structured activities and reflective exercises to support the use of AI in your classroom, including opportunities to share or publish your findings with an international audience. Across the course, we will explore several key themes. First, we will ask, how does AI work, and why does this matter for schools? In this session, we will pull back the veil of mystery around AI, demonstrate how it works, and focus on its relevance to school settings. We will then look at AI ethics, safety, and the bigger picture, focusing on scenarios where AI presents new ethical challenges in education. We will also consider the learner perspective, exploring how learners feel as educational experiences are increasingly shaped by AI. Another key theme is AI and inclusive teaching and learning, where we will investigate current and emerging research on the opportunities AI may create for greater access and inclusion. And finally, we will look at a range of AI tools for educators, including how AI may affect your workload, your planning, and your well-being. We understand that this is a lot of content, and that you will each be coming to these ideas from different contexts, roles, and levels of experience. To help guide you through these sessions, we ask you to choose one of 3 focus areas: time savings, lesson planning, or policy review. Each focus area includes additional reflective activities to help you connect the course content to your own professional context.